We are under...
You don't have to bring it.
Okay. We are under an enhanced risk of severe weather. And that's a rental car. We're going to be taking this car for 2 days to see the Black Crowes in concert with a very old friend. I've heard of him. His name's Jim. But anyways, the topic of this video is this stuff. This ain't too bad now. I just dropped a deuce on us before, you could tell. Oh yeah, and I'm about to get a new phone, so I gotta hurry. Yeah, you hear that? Anyways, I'm gonna go get a new phone. I think it's about to pour on us again, so. Okay, update, got my new phone, got some McDonald's and this. And we locked ourselves out. Mom looked at her keys and the key was frickin' gone. The only thing that was on there was the frickin' mailbox key. And Dad's gone, so. You can hear that going on over there. We're gonna be out here for a while, dude. Tastes good. Climbing through a window. Hey, you know what? That don't sound like a pretty bad idea. We're locked out. Hey, Athena, we're locked out. We can't get in. We can't get in. Help. God damn. Help. Woof. We can't get in.
I'll go. Go find Dad. She didn't get the keys from him.
Heard that fake sounding thunder again. We're just getting a bunch of tease storms, and then the lion's coming later. Nice. It's hot in here though. That looks mean. I'm not sure if that's actually I'm not sure if that's the actual thing or I don't know.
It's clouds.
What the hell? Oh, something smelled weird. Hey guys, what's up? Took me a while to come back to uploading. You just saw the other videos I had before this one. Sorry it took so long, but I'm back. It almost seemed like I needed a new phone or something. Yeah, I did. It's a Samsung A15. And that is a fry. God. Crispy. God damn. Crispy. My new phone I got is in 1080p. So either I can upload 1080p videos now. I'm not sure if I can though, actually. Maybe. But I can watch videos in 1080p, which I've never seen before, on a phone. And it looks pretty crisp. I can see every hair strand in somebody's head. I should definitely touch those scissors. Nope. You get tinnitus from it. No, tetanus. How the hell? I said tinnitus. Oof. It's been doing this teasing thing all day. But it rains really heavy for about 5 minutes and then goes away. About 30 minutes later, rains heavy for 5 minutes and then goes away. It's rinse and repeat, dude. There's a like a bow echo in there though. It's way over there, but they're reporting 50 mile-an-hour gusts. And we are in an enhanced risk, by the way. I don't think I said that. So yeah. I only have one account on my phone right now. I'm gonna get 4 others on there that I have. One of them's a backup. Spooky. Alright, I'll come back when it gets interesting. Okay, my old phone is super broken now and I just flipped the frick out. Now mom's in bed and this is happening. I just remembered what I said earlier, screw that. I said something about take me, I just said something about take me MF, or I'll scream that to the sky, so. I'm not leaving this house right now. Ew. Okay. A few minutes later, I got my account set up and my old phone destroyed. Oh, god dang it. I don't like this. Don't take me, MFer. No. Please. I didn't mean it. I didn't do it. No. Well, it said gusts of 50. It said gusts of 50, but the special weather statement was gone. They deleted it, so they removed it. So I'm not sure if it's gonna do something or not. Ugh, that's mean. That looks mean. A little breezy. I'm gonna take a picture. A little breezy. That looks nice over there. You can see the stuff going through the trees. That's pretty. This door is fudged. I always get shocked when I look behind me and this is going on. I do see wind picking up, especially over there. Oh crap. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. I don't know. It's like it's shaking our little, it's shaking its big toe at us. It's a walker. Huh. That is a walker. What even is that? Is somebody making a fire, or I don't know. A cardinal. I'm so good at this. That's cool. So far, so good. I don't know. I see birds flying, like in the tornado warning. The daytime one, not the nighttime one this year. That's what happened with the last one. A cluster of birds started flying and it absolutely ripped us a new one. I don't know. Couple minutes later. This is my hat. It's a really cool hat. It floats above my head. That's how cool it is. Fuckers. That sounded like I said the F word. If you notice something subtle, there's a new air conditioner there. That is my new room. I think I showed you guys that though. Do 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 do. I'm never gonna shut up. There's that elm tree I ripped out of the, or I snapped it in half and it grew the frick back. It's already taller than the other one that was there. We drove past a tree a couple months ago that was blown over by one of these storms. It was a huge tree, but the roots are kind of still connected. I didn't think it would survive, but we came back there last week and it had leaves bigger than anything I've seen before all over it. It was happy. It was sideways, but it was happy. It was freaking alive. I saw 3 trees like that on the trip. 2 of them were weeping willows, go figure, but that was cool. I hope I can get a picture of that soon. I hope they don't remove that, because that is a miracle. The wind's picking up. Had soda. Sheesh. Nothing. Just rain and wind. Wind's not even that bad. What are you even focusing on? Ah, man, I don't know.